What's up everybody, my name is Robert Harris from Optical Noise Photography. Today we are going to do a little test with the AD200 and AD300 Godox lights because people were asking me how strong they are. So we're going to shoot high-speed sync and normal, and I'm going to go through the things from like about 16th power, quarter, half, full power, and then we're just going to show you the difference in quality, and then I'll put them side by side so you can see them. And then Erin came to help us today.
Hey guys!
So you can check her out, I'll put her links below. And then, yeah, hope we have some fun.
Okay, cool. I'm very excited. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram.
Okay, so the first thing we'll do is not high-speed sync. So we're going to be at 1/60th, and then we're going to compensate with f-stop. So we're at f4, and we're quite far from her, about 1.5 meters. Okay, we're just going to do the first shot at 16th power. Okay, let's try one. So just hold the pose for me. Okay, so we're at 1/60th, f4, ISO 100. And we're at 16th power now, about 1.5 meters from her. And then I'm gonna make it more powerful, even though it's gonna overexpose her. So we're gonna try one. Okay, and then we just hold it. This is the 8th power. And this is quarter power. And then this is half power. And then the last one is full power. The nice thing is that recycles really quick. Okay, can you do one more? I just want to do a full power shot and expose it correctly. So we'll do like f8. Still too bright, what the hell? Or f18. It's way too high. Okay, so we were at f14 and then we've got a correct exposure. So now I'm going to do the same settings with the other flash.
Okay, cool.
It doesn't have to be the same pose, let's do a different pose.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are on the AD200, about the same distance from her. We're going to start at 16. There we go. And we're going to go down to 4. Then I'm going to keep going up with power. Okay, that's 16. This is 8. This is quarter. This is half, and then a full power shot. It's very bright. Nice. Okay, and then we'll just do a full power shot and expose it. Right, we'll try a 14 like the AD300. Sorry, one more. They're actually very similar in power. Doesn't look very different. Nice. Let me do one at f12. Nice. Okay, now we do in the sun. So I need you like maybe in that path. Okay. Same direction because I want the sun behind you. Yeah, this is actually cool. Come this way though so we can... Okay, so we're going to do high-speed sync now. So I'll do all the way open, 1.8. Then we're going to expose without a flash quickly. So underexpose the background quite a lot. We're going to turn the flash on. And we're going to go from 16 and we'll see how it looks. And we'll do an 8. And then we'll do a quarter. And then we'll do a half. And then a full power. You just see it. Very nice. So there you can see the power difference. Okay, now we do that with the AD200, and then that's pretty much all I wanted to do with this test. We're gonna go from 16th power, and then we're gonna go up 1/8, and then 1/4, and then 1/2, and a full. So that's basically the only test I want to do. I don't want to waste time with just non-stop of that. So I'm going to put them side by side so you guys can see them. And then to finish off the shoot, we're just going to go behind the scenes. I'm going to use the AD300 and we're just going to shoot with Erin while she's looking all good. And then we'll end the video there. Yeah. Okay, so now we just shoot for fun.
Okay, cool.
And then, just so you didn't put the outfit on for one picture. Beautiful, give me another close, yeah. Another one. One more. Nice. I'm gonna do half power rather. Let's do some, I don't know if you can you sit here?
Yeah.
You're tall enough. Can you half sit, half stand on the floor? Yeah. And come, no, wait. Come like, just posture. Almost like by this thing. Yeah, that's nice. And then give me like nice, like hold, like almost like you're being close to it, yeah. Another one. Look somewhere else for me. Another way, yeah. Slide your bottom hand down a little. Beautiful. Ooh, they're very nice. Another one. Get me the 85mm lens. There's only one other lens in my bag.
Oh, the 85mm.
It's so nice, but it's a bit too zoomed for me. I like this one, but the 85 is.
It's
It,
like 12 grand.
hey?
They're like 12 grand.
They are now because of the exchange rate. I paid 10 for mine, and it was like a year ago. I was going to shoot through these plants, so it'll be like blurry plants in front of you, kind of thing. Don't be in the garden. They'll chase us away.
I know, I was like,
on our first day. Dank you, Baya. You're so helpful. Can you move a little bit, maybe this way? That pole's right behind your head. That's better. Nice.
I'm good.
Please don't fall. Another one. You just check it. Beautiful. One more. One more. I like that one. I want one more, but I want you to almost touch the plants.
Okay.
So I don't know if this will work. Try like mess with this one or smell it, or I'm gonna try shoot through that gap. I don't know if it'll work though, we'll see. Sorry, I'm gonna just put it right here. Okay, this might work. I might get stung by bees.
I'm always getting stung by bees.
There's like a lot of bees. It's too dense. Can you go this way a bit? Yeah, there. No, there we are. Now it's fine. Look at me. Nice. It's like a little bit too dense. Okay, let's do, can we sit?
Yep.
Like, what about one of those chairs? So sit on that chair, just so I can shoot towards those plants. Sorry.
No, that's fine.
And then I think you're gonna, yeah, sit there and angle a little that way. Yeah. One more. Nice. I'm going to take a further away one. Nice. Look off that way. Yeah. Beautiful. I'm going to do through the grass here. Another one. And then, can you even lean forward onto the table? Can I have the 30 again? So we're done. I hope that was helpful. I know there's not a lot of examples, but I mean, that's the rest of the shoot was all on the AD300, and we had it at like quarter power or so. I want to say thank you to Concrete Creations in Benoni for letting us use their space. They hooked us up when we had nowhere to go, so thank you. If you want to check them out, I'll put their Facebook link down below, and then you can follow Erin.
I'd like to thank Simply Kale's Makeup for doing my makeup as well. Okay,
you can check her link below as well. And then, yeah, touch base with us on Instagram, follow Erin, tell her which photos you liked, so on and so on. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
You always got this like model. I can see it from the side of my eye that she's positioning for the gist of it. And then the rest of the shoot was all on the blah. And then where are we now? Concrete Creations.
Oh yes.